how to enable option trading on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can enable option trade on Robinhood. So in order to enable option trade, first of all you need to log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Over here, go ahead and select the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, you need to look for the settings or the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side corner. Over here, you'll need to go ahead and select. So after that, you need to look for option trading button located right over here. So once you do that, you need to enable if the options are available for your trading account or not. However, this option is only available in certain cases. If you are unable to find the option, that means the particular option or the feature is not available. However, if you find the option, all you need to do is just tap on enable if the options are available for your trading accounts. After that, the options approval level will continue, so go through it all and follow the prompt accordingly. So that's basically how you can enable option trading on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.